Hi and welcome to this really quick demo of FastList Now. Before I do take you into the members area, I just thought I'd give you a really quick update just to confirm that the methods that I use, that myself and Oscar have used to build up big lists inside FastList Now, actually work and translate into genuine revenue. So I'm just going to head over to my live Warrior Plus account right now. As you can see, there's my name up there, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my account and look at the overall stats here. Now this might take a little while to load, and it will prove that it's being done in real time, because it can sometimes take a few seconds to bring up the information. But what I want to show here is the overall revenue that I've been able to generate in Warrior Plus over the past year or so, just using the methods that I'm teaching in FastList Now. And in addition to that, I've also made additional commissions at both JVZoo and ClickBank. So hopefully this will load in just a few seconds time. Just waiting for this information to come up. There we go. All right, so as you can see, in terms of one set of revenue in my account here, $183,953. That's revenue, $183,953, and you also add to it this figure here, 74,792. So that makes a total of over 250,000 US dollars in the last year or so. And I think I can also show you, if I'm not mistaken, if I click onto this summary here, then this should show you the amount that I've actually withdrawn in actual physical cash from Warrior Plus. Again, the system's very slow at the moment, so apologies for that. There we go. So yeah, so actual withdrawals I've made is $66,026. That's actual cash that I've withdrawn from the system. And my actual earnings just from affiliate sales, so this doesn't include the other figure that I showed you there, which is actually product sales, which is a separate figure, is 81,333, because I've also made purchases myself of 14,890. That's where I've bought other products and resources in connection with my business. So hope you can see, folks, that is a pretty cool figure there, of, you know, as I said, over $250,000 in revenue over the past year or so. So let's head back to the members area. So inside FastList Now, what you see here, obviously a welcome video from me, access to things like YouTube channel and Facebook group, and then there's another video from Oscar, welcome underneath. I can't show you that because it will reveal the password to join the exclusive Facebook group, which you can only get access to if you've bought one of my products, so I'm not going to show that. And in the overview here, very straightforward overview of what FastList Now is, and then we move into the main training. So after an introduction to the training, you've then got a breakdown of all 10 of these methods. So they're all completely separate standalone methods. You can either choose the ones that you think will work best for you, or you can try all 10 of the methods, which is what I recommend. Yeah, try each of the different list building methods. Now myself and Oscar, between us, we use all 10 of these methods like pretty much all of the time. Yeah, we have different additions to our list coming in from all of these different 10 methods, and that means that we add somewhere as an average between 30 to 50 new subscribers as a minimum to our list every single day. That in turn means that we're getting over 1,000 new subscribers onto our lists every month. Now, if you think that one new subscriber, the industry average says that one new subscriber will spend an average of $1 per month. Yeah, they will buy from you on average $1 per month. So if you've got 1,000 new subscribers, then that is an earnings for you each month of $1,000. So every month that you add 1,000 new subscribers to your lists, what you're effectively doing is you are adding, assuming that you do that every single month, yeah, you are adding 144,000 to your bottom line revenue each and every year, which is pretty much what I've done. You know, if you look at that 250,000 figure that I've just shown you, like that has scaled up dramatically, you know, in the last year. So the first period of that's shown there, you know, the first 8 to 10 months would probably only have been a revenue figure of about 20 or 30,000. So all the remainder of that 250,000 has been like in the last year when things have really been scaled up. So I hope you can see that building a list, it has a cumulative effect, because you will have people drop off your list, or members of your list that will go cold from time to time for obvious reasons. But as long as you're continuously topping that up with new subscribers, it means the numbers coming in to your list will always be greater than those dropping off of your list. And so the overall effect will be a continuing growth of your list and a continuing growth of your income. And that is what we're teaching inside FastList now. And I hope very much that you'll join me and Oscar inside this members area very soon.